Today's video is on the Daikin Room Air Purifier.
One of the best air cleaners on the market. In today's video, I'm going to give you 10 reasons why I think the machine that we're going to talk about in this video is one of the best solutions you can choose to have cleaner air in your home.
I want to highlight it because I think it's a great affordable alternative to a whole house system because you can place it in specific areas. Bedrooms, mudrooms, family rooms, wherever its benefits have the greatest impact.
If you decide you'd like to purchase this unit, we'll put a link down below where you can purchase it directly from the website and save 10% off of your order. But let's dive into it. Top 10 reasons you should look at this air cleaner as a solution for your home. Number 1, money. You can save money with all the things that this air cleaner can do. I'm going to go through all of them in just a moment as we go through our 10 steps here. Number 2, this system monitors the air or tests the air. I don't know if test is quite the right verbiage. This unit can sense if there's something wrong. If there's an odor in the air, it will sense that and ramp up. And when it ramps up, it's going to be removing even more particulates from the air, removing more odors from the air. And unlike some of the other systems out there that just run at a certain speed, this system has the ability to ramp up and ramp down.
Please note that Daikin has sponsored some of our content on our YouTube channel, and the FTC requires that I say so.
Number 3, because of those abilities, this system is super quiet. There are times when it's just barely running. In fact, I've got one running right beside me, right here in this room, and you probably can't even hear it. I can't even hear it. Even when it does ramp up, it's super quiet. Decibel levels around 23 decibels, super quiet. And because of that variable speed capability, again, it's going to be at times hardly noticeable. You won't even know that it's running. Number 4, 3 layers of filtration. We're going to dive into this more and more as we go through the other steps, but unlike some of the other systems out there that just have 1 or 2 filters, this system can trap up to 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.1 microns. And that's a lot of big fancy words to just say that it works really well. Number 5, it also has a HEPA filter in there. What is a HEPA filter? It stands for high efficiency particulate air, and to even be called a HEPA filter, it has to remove at least 99.9% of particles that are 0.3 microns in size. Usually HEPA filters are the top of the line. They're the Mac Daddy, and this system has a HEPA filter in it. Most heating and air systems can't even have HEPA filtration. We've got a video coming up where we're going to talk about some of the reasons why static pressure and other things like that make it to where you can't install a HEPA filter in the ductwork of a normal heating and air system. And so because of that, a lot of contractors will stay away from them. But this system has HEPA filtration. Number 6, it also has carbon filtration. Carbon filtration is really good at removing VOCs. That's a big one with a lot of the houses today. A lot of them are built tight, and without proper ventilation, VOCs become a big problem. And carbon filters can also reduce odors such as tobacco smoke and other household odors that we sometimes get. This system will clean that air with that carbon filter and remove those odors. Number 7, in addition to all the filtration, this system also has LED UV technology. And we've done other videos on UV lights. Ultraviolet light has been shown to do lots of things like kill bacteria, mold, mildew, allergens, and other germs that circulate through there. Many systems today are having UV lights installed in them just as a basic standard. If nothing else, any sort of high-end filtration, at the very least, they're having UV lights installed. This unit has UV lights. Number 8, built-in humidifier. One of the systems has a built-in humidifier, adding to the abilities of that system to humidify your home. If you live in an area that gets drier during the wintertime, check out that unit. It has a built-in humidifier. You'll be able to add water to it. And unlike some of the humidifiers on the market that, number 1, costs a lot of money to have a contractor install with the ductwork, but it also will sometimes start to rust the ductwork and have other issues, especially when they're poorly maintained. Well, this unit will have a built-in humidifier for you. You'll be able to avoid some of the problems that come along with drier air in your home, and it's all built in with that system. Another thing I'll mention is if you want to see more on these units, aside from this video, we have a whole playlist called Daikin Air Purifier that you'll be able to check out in our YouTube playlists. Number 9, we mentioned this before, but instead of having to go through a contractor, instead of having to pay more than what you should, you'll be able to purchase this system yourself. Again, just a reminder, we'll have a link down below and you'll be able to save 10% by clicking on our link. You'll be purchasing it directly from Daikin and you can have it shipped directly to your home. And then finally, number 10, the system is easy to use. I kind of look at it like a set it and forget it type of system. There's no fancy apps or anything like that. You'll be able to just click a few buttons on the unit, nothing complicated. We're going to do another video where we're going to dive in deeper with the system and what the different buttons do in our YouTube playlist. It's just a few buttons, you push them, and you're up and rolling. So that's it, guys. That's my 10. Again, we've got a link down below. Let me know your thoughts by commenting on the video. I appreciate all of your support. And of course, always, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next time.